Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Logitech Yoke flight simulator setup. First, connect your Logitech G Sidec Pro Flight Yoke and throttle quadrant to your computer using the provided USB cables. Make sure the connections are firm to prevent any interruptions during your flight. Next, download and install the Logitech G Hub software, which is essential for configuring your controls and ensuring optimal performance. This initial setup is quick and gets you ready for takeoff. Once your hardware is connected, the next crucial step is software installation and calibration. Head to the official Logitech website to download the G Hub software. After installation, open G Hub and navigate to your yoke settings. Here, you can calibrate the full range of motion for the yoke and throttle, ensuring precise control. Take a few moments to assign your primary flight controls, such as pitch, roll, and yaw, for a truly immersive experience. With the G Hub setup complete, it's time to configure your controls within your flight simulator. Launch your favorite simulator and navigate to its control settings menu. You'll find options to assign various in-game functions to your Logitech Yoke and throttle quadrant. Consider mapping essential actions like landing gear, flaps, and trim to easily accessible buttons. This customization allows for a more intuitive and realistic flight experience, putting key controls at your fingertips. To truly master your flight simulator experience, explore advanced customization options. Within Logitech G Hub, you can create unique profiles for different aircraft, optimizing button assignments and sensitivities. Adjusting dead zones can prevent unintended inputs, providing smoother control. Many flight simulator communities also share custom profiles, offering excellent starting points for various aircraft. Experiment with these settings to find what works best for your flying style and enjoy a highly personalized setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.